Hello friends, welcome to my new video. Today we will review about Suzuki Hayabusa bike. Suzuki Hayabusa price. The Suzuki Hayabusa has been priced at 16.40 rupees lakh, ex-showroom, making it 2.65 rupees lakh more expensive than the older model. Suzuki Hayabusa features. Suzuki has given the Hayabusa a host of new features. The bike now gets LED lights, a new TFT inlay in the instrument console that displays the different electronic settings. For the first time, the Hayabusa receives a comprehensive electronics suite, which includes 10-level traction control, 10-level wheelie control, 3 levels of engine brake control and launch control, and the new Suzuki Drive Mode Selector, SDMS. The SDMS comprises 3 presets and 3 user-defined modes. The new Hayabusa even gets a quick shifter and hill assist control. Suzuki Hayabusa engine. The Suzuki Hayabusa is powered by the same 1,340 cubic centimeters, inline 4-cylinder engine as the older model, however, it is now BS6 compliant. It produces 190 PS at 9,700 RPM and 150 Nm at 7,000 RPM, which is 7 PS and 5 Nm less than that of its predecessor. Suzuki Hayabusa brakes and suspension. The previous model's braking wasn't effective and hence the Suzuki Hayabusa gets bigger, 320mm discs paired with top-of-the-line Brembo Stylema calipers up front and a Nissan caliper at the rear. Suspension duties are carried out by fully adjustable 43mm KYB forks, offering 120mm travel and KYB monoshock. Suzuki claims the suspension has received updated components for better stability. Suzuki Hayabusa rivals. The Suzuki Hayabusa has no direct rival since the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-14R was discontinued. However, at this price, it goes up against the likes of the Triumph Speed Triple 1200 RS and the BMW R1250R. Suzuki Hayabusa specifications. Mileage 17 kmpl. Displacement 1,340 cubic centimeters. Engine type 4-stroke, liquid-cooled, DOHC, inline 4. No of cylinders 4. Max power 190 PS at 9,700 RPM. Max torque 150 Nm at 7,000 RPM. Front brake double disc. Rear brake disc. Body type superbikes. Suzuki Hayabusa features. ABS dual channel. Riding modes. Traction control. Cruise control. Launch control. Power modes. Quick shifter. LED tail light. Speedometer analog. Odometer digital. Suzuki Hayabusa available in 3 different colors. Glass sparkle black candy brunt gold. Metallic matte sword silver candy daring red. Pearl brilliant white metallic matte stellar blue. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.